Hello guys, before I start displaying in this video, please like, subscribe, comment and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. In this video, I want to show you about Python comments. Python comments is useful for three things, such as first, comments can be used to explain Python code. Second, comments can be used to make the code more readable. Third, comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. The most important thing you have to know is comments starts with a hashtag and Python will ignore them. For example, so I type hashtag. This is a comment and I want to make a program. Print class. So you can see the result. Comments can be placed at the end of a line and Python will ignore the rest of the line. You can see an example in my screen. In the end of a program, I will add a comment with a hashtag to match it. You can see there is only phrase word in the output. A comment does not have to be text that explains the code. It can also be used to prevent Python from executing code. Okay. Now I just add a hashtag in the beginning of print. Now, how to make multi-line comments? Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. To add a multi-line comment, you could insert a hashtag for each line. For example, this it is a single comment. Now I want to type double comment. You can see the result. Now I want to type multi-line comment with 3 comments inside. Okay, you can see the result that there is no the output and not quite as I intended. You can use a multi-line string since Python will ignore string literals that are not inside to a variable. You can add a multi-line string or triple quotes in your code and place your comment inside it. Now you can see the result that there is a multi-line comment. As long as the string is not assigned to a variable, Python will read the code but then ignore it, and you have made a multi-line comment. That's all guys. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.